Latest now, numbers from officials on those fires that have been burning in the western slope. The Turner Gulch, Sow Belly, and South Rim fires have been burning in Delta Mesa and Montrose counties. And here's where they stand this afternoon. The Sow Belly fire nearly fully contained. Overnight, the crews were able to get it to 90% containment. It's burned more than 2,200 acres. Turner Gulch also saw some containment overnight. It's now 37% contained, nearly 17,000 acres burned. And the Black Canyon of the Gunnison National Forest fire, the South Rim fire, has burned more than 4,200 acres. Containment on that one is 31%.